Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since the dip to 93,300 on the 18th, Bitcoin's price action has been straight up, with brief pauses at key horizontal levels based on past performance, support, resistance, and volume points of control. After a quick breather at 96,000 at the start of the day, Bitcoin pushed toward the next key level at 97,400. Checking the 3-day liquidation heat map, a massive wave of shorts got wrecked from 96,700 all the way up to 97,700. Right now, price is dipping into the next short liquidation heat cluster, which stretches from 98,300 to 100,000. If we switch to the 2-week liquidation heat map, it becomes clear that this is just the beginning, with liquidity stacked from 98,800 all the way up to 101,000. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index has climbed from 35, labeled as fear, just last week to 40, now in neutral territory. This shift in sentiment confirms the ongoing recovery as traders regain confidence while Bitcoin pushes higher. Rumors are circulating that a well-known Bitfinex whale has been building long positions again since the 19th. Insider knowledge is the most profitable knowledge. Another rumor, backed by blockchain data, is that Binance was selling reserves on the way down and has been rebuying over the past few days. As expected, Binance used the 800 million USDT they had issued from Tether to start buying back the assets they sold to induce the flush. Their strategy, sell off reserves, flush leverage, trigger panic selling, and buy back lower, has worked for 4 cycles and continues to be effective. In other news, Strategy, formerly known as MicroStrategy, has announced a bold $2 billion convertible senior notes offering at 0% interest. This reinforces its aggressive Bitcoin accumulation strategy. The offering is aimed at institutional buyers and allows conversion into Strategy's Class A stock at an initial price of approximately $433.43 per share, marking a 35% premium over its recent trading price. With an estimated $1.99 billion in net proceeds, Strategy plans to use the funds primarily to buy more Bitcoin, further pushing corporate adoption. The notes, set to mature in 2030, come with flexible conversion and redemption terms. If Strategy's stock price surges 130% above the conversion price, the company reserves the right to redeem the notes for cash. This strategic move underscores their long-term conviction in Bitcoin as a corporate treasury asset. We could see a quick breather back to 97,400 before reclaiming the psychologically important 100,000 level. Otherwise, the liquidity is there to just send it straight up. In my opinion, the bull is back, and there's a lot more upside ahead. I'll keep you updated daily. Join the free Discord for real-time thoughts on trades, entries, and exits. Like the video if you got value from it, and click subscribe plus the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.